kids! Today we are going to draw something super cute and lovely. Let's draw a heart with wings.
Yay! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a big heart in the middle. Nice and smooth. Great job! Now draw one big wing on this side and another big wing on that side. Wow, the heart can fly! Now draw an angel ring on top of the heart. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now make the outline bold and sharp. Make it nice and dark so the artwork can pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens. Red color. Blue color. Pest color. Pink color. Silver color. Wow, so colorful and beautiful. Awesome. Great job, kids. You did amazing today. If you enjoyed drawing, like the video, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub, and keep drawing with us. Bye-bye. See you in the next fun drawing.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.